multi-storey gate itself comprises of three key components: the multi-storey car park, the flagship John Lewis store, and then the arcades themselves. So the design has been quite clever to make sure the customers can have a seamless journey throughout the scheme, and also make sure that the design and architecture of the scheme itself feels like it's been here, despite the fact it's a modern building. It needed to be very complementary to the existing and historic buildings that it neighbours, and it's a true extension to the core of the city centre.
All of the geometry on this project is challenging. It has curves, die-grids, everything. There's no doubt about it, this was one of the most stunning buildings we'd ever worked on. To support Acme in developing that, we had some of our team worked in their offices over a number of weeks and months to help them with that geometry, and it really did challenge our understanding and skills of some of the software and doing things that we hadn't done before. So it really called for innovation, some really clever stuff from our team. It's not one building that is complicated and complex here. You have three buildings which are completely different with three incredible challenges. So we have the die grid of the main department store, which is fantastic, but all links together as individual panels. Then we have a brickwork facade, which is so intricate, it's unbelievable. And then even the car park has a twisted metal facade, which is challenging in its own right. So putting all those elements together is difficult. And then just to add the icing on the cake, the roof in the arcades is incredibly complicated, curved. So every element had its own challenges, which from BIM Technology's perspective, we love that.
It's very unusual to work in an environment where customers are wowed by the architecture and what's been created. It's a very different design, which has provoked plenty of debate, and very photographic building as well. So with that comes lots of PR opportunities. It must be one of the most photographed shopping centres in the UK, if not the most. I mean, most shopping centres are fairly sterile environments, and I think what we've created here is something which is truly iconic.